Welcome to Luxevista TV, where luxury meets power. Today we explore one of the most breathtaking hypercars ever created, a machine that defines speed, elegance, and pure exclusivity. This is the Bugatti Mistral. Design and exterior. At first glance, the Bugatti Mistral is nothing short of art in motion. With its aggressive stance, sharp aerodynamic lines, and open-top design, this hypercar is built to dominate both the road and the spotlight. The carbon fiber body is sculpted for maximum airflow, reducing drag while increasing stability at high speeds. Its signature horseshoe grille, combined with futuristic LED headlights, gives it a bold and unmistakable identity. Every detail, from the red accents to the massive air intakes, is engineered for performance and visual perfection. Engine and performance. Under the hood lies a masterpiece of engineering. The Bugatti Mistral is powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, a legendary powerhouse. Producing over 1,600 horsepower, this machine can reach extreme speeds that few cars in the world can match. Acceleration is instant, brutal, and thrilling, going from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just a matter of seconds. This is not just a car, it's a statement of dominance on the road. Interior and technology. Step inside and you are welcomed into a world of luxury and precision. The interior is handcrafted with premium materials, from fine leather to polished aluminum and carbon fiber finishes. Every control is designed with the driver in mind, creating a perfect balance between comfort and performance. Advanced digital displays and smart driving systems ensure that you are always in control, even at extreme speeds. This is where technology meets art. Exclusivity in the Bugatti Mistral is not just rare, it is ultra-exclusive. Only a limited number of units exist worldwide, making it a true collector's dream. With a price tag of over $5 million, owning this hypercar is reserved for the elite. Power, luxury, legacy. The Bugatti Mistral is more than a car, it's a masterpiece. This is Luxevista TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and experience the world of luxury.